this video, I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on your MacBook. Now this can be really useful to know how worn your battery is, and it will also show you if you need a new battery. Now to do this, we need to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and click on System Settings and click on About this Mac. You could then click on More Info, and at the bottom of this page click on System Report. Now from this window, we need to click on Power in the left-hand navigation, and right here you'll see all of the information relating to your battery. Now you can see your battery condition, so mine is set to normal, and the most important thing here is the cycle count, and this will show us how worn our battery is. So typically, if your cycle count is anything under 300, then this is an exceptionally good battery health. If the number's anywhere between 300 to 700, then this is typically average, and this just shows an averagely worn battery. Now anything over 700 to 1000, this is typically when you want to start thinking about replacing your battery. So just go and check your cycle count in order to find out this information. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.